Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products to enhance your home and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the AMES Research Laboratories MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating, and we're here to tell you why this is the best white roof coating you can get your hands on. If you're tired of dealing with cracked, peeling, or damaged roofs, the Maximum Stretch Roof Coating could be the game changer you need. This high-quality elastomeric coating is designed to offer exceptional protection against the elements, keeping your roof in top condition for years to come. First off, this product boasts an impressive 650% elongation rate, which means it stretches to accommodate any movement or expansion in your roof without cracking or peeling. It's not just a coating, it's a durable sealant that offers a reliable layer of protection. Whether you're working with metal roofing, rolled roofs, or even RV roofs, the AMES MSS1 adheres seamlessly to a variety of materials. What sets this roof coating apart is its ability to significantly reduce surface temperatures. With 88% light reflectivity, the bright white finish helps to lower cooling costs by reflecting the sun's harsh rays away from your building. It's perfect for areas that experience intense sunlight, as it keeps your interiors cooler, which can make a noticeable difference on your energy bills. Another great feature of the AMES MSS1 is its eco-friendly formula. Made in the USA, it's non-toxic and has low VOC emissions, making it a safer choice for you and the environment. Plus, it's easy to apply. Whether you prefer to use a brush, roller, or sprayer, this product goes on smoothly and efficiently, offering you versatility in how you tackle your roof repairs. Now, let's talk about durability. The Maximum Stretch Roof Coating is rubberized and elastomeric, meaning it won't flake, chip, or peel under normal wear and tear. It's designed specifically for low-slope roof maintenance, ensuring that no matter the season, your roof will remain protected from leaks and damage. And of course, you're investing in a product that's built to last. The AMES MSS1 is perfect for not only protecting your roof but also for maintaining the overall structural integrity of your home or RV. It's a great option if you're looking for long-lasting, cost-effective roof care. So, whether you need to protect your home, business, or RV roof, the AMES Research Laboratories MSS1 Maximum Stretch Roof Coating is the reliable solution. It's easy to apply, highly effective, and designed to save you money in the long run by reducing cooling costs and preventing costly repairs. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next video.